for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I shave my face. Yes, and I've been doing this for a long time now, and this is the secret for a glowing makeup look. Yeah! For me, it is very effective in exfoliating my skin and for faster absorption of the skincare products that I use. So before we start, I'll just take these skin supplements that I bought from Shopee. Super sarap talaga neto, guys. I take 2 gummy bears a day. Super yummy. So without further ado, let's start. So first, make sure that your hands are clean and you already wash your face. Make sure that everything is clean before doing this because it's your face and you don't want to have a breakout because of this. This is what I used, an eyebrow shaver, and it's from Everbilena. It is very important that everything that you use on your face is clean. Yes, guys, cleanliness is the key. So before shaving, I usually put moisturizer or serum or oil on my skin so that the shaver will move smoothly and will not hurt my skin. And I think it's very important na moisturize yung skin nyo bago kayo mag-shave. So, hindi siya masugatan ng shaver. And alam nyo naman yung shaver, guys. Matalas talaga yan. So, make sure na moisturize yung skin nyo. So, now, let's start shaving. Yung direction ng pag-shave, guys, ay downward. Similar with the direction of the hair growth. So, downward. And yung ibang napanood ko, guys, 30 degrees downward. Para mas parehas doon sa direction ng growth ng hair. Pero ako, pa-downward lang talaga. And if you guys have active pimples, huwag nyong i-shave yung part na yun since sensitive nga yun. And you don't want to irritate it more and make it severe. So, yeah, just leave it. And right now naman, wala akong kahit anong active pimples. Just my scars and pimple marks. Yup. I have red pimple marks and deep acne scars. And guys, I don't know if you guys can see, pero sobrang daming buhok pala talaga ng mukha ko ngayon. So after the first part, make sure to clean the shave and remove the hair using cotton pads or cotton or wipes, whatever you like. And guys, as you can see, super smooth niya, guys. And I do this because it looks good with makeup on. Mas mukhang natural yung makeup. And also, yung pag-shave kasi ng face, guys, removes the build-up dirt on your skin and exfoliates the skin, remove the dead skin na nandyan sa face mo. So, mas mapapabrighten niya and malilesen din yung dark spots mo. Banatin nyo yung skin nyo, guys, so that you can really remove all the hair and walang maiwan. And guys, nakikita nyo naman ayun yung amount of hair sa aking noo. So right now, get a cotton and remove the residue on your face. You can proceed later sa pagwash na ng face nyo. Right now, I'm going to put my Heal Serum. And you can put anything you want. Basta hindi siya harsh sa skin kasi nga kakashave mo lang. Para hindi siya ma-irritate, just put a calming moisturizer or anything that you are comfortable with. Pwede rin hindi ka naman maglagay, water lang, pwede na. Actually guys, hindi nyo siya masyadong ma-appreciate since I have a very imperfect skin. Pero kung meron kayong clear skin and you feel like hindi mo ma-achieve yung glass skin na gusto mo, this is the secret nung mga glass skin na tao. Just shave your face and guys, you will definitely see your skin shining, shimmering, splendid. Yeah, it's very shiny. Kaso nga hindi nyo siya ma-appreciate since I have a lot of marks. Pero yeah, very smooth and you can definitely feel na nawala din yung mga lubak-lubak on your face. So yes guys, that's it. That's how I shave my face and I do recommend this with all of you guys. Pero make sure na your skin is not too sensitive and just do it smoothly. And kung ramdam nyo na nasasaktan kayo or hindi kayo comfortable, please do not do it, guys. So yes guys, that's it for my shaving routine. And right now, I'm going to share with you guys these Vitaburst that I got from Shopee. Super, oh my god, super yummy guys. And I've been taking these for almost 4 weeks now. And nakikita nyo naman, paubos na siya. Yung first bottle ko. And this is the second bottle that I use. It's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and organic guys. And I really like this one kasi first is because natulungan ako neto sa sleeping routine ko guys. Mas mahimbing yung tulog ko nowadays and nagsimula lang yun nung nag-take ako neto. And alam ko naman guys na hindi to gamot sa acne pero mas naiwasan yung pagka-breakout ko. Ngayon guys, nakikita nyo naman, I don't have any active pimple and sobrang bihira nun guys dito sa channel ko. Halos lagi nyo ako nakikitang may active pimple. And kahit na nagka-monthly period ako, hindi ako nagkaroon ng kahit anong pimple for this month. So, oh my god, that's new to me and ito lang naman yung ginamit ko netong mga nakaraan. I so love it. The link is down below sa description guys if you wanna try. And hindi lang ito yung available, meron ding for gaining weight and for hair. Guys, super affordable and I truly recommend this Vitaburst. Support local. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my future videos. See you on my next one. I love you all. Adios. So if you are still here, don't forget to comment our secret emoji. I love you all so much. Bye-bye.